Hey guys, Fortnite Fevers here, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna go and show you how to get the custom Celtics skin in Fortnite Battle Royale. Okay, so welcome to our video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to get the custom Celtics skin into Fortnite Battle Royale. The way we did this was by using a texture custom made and putting it in to Battle Royale using HXD and U-bulk files. The skin looks like this on the screen. To get it, all you have to do is download this folder. Link is in the description. The first thing you have to do is run the HXD setup folder and install it. Once you have installed HXD, it should put it on your desktop and open it. As you open HXD, the window should look like this. There should be a file icon with a green arrow on it. Click that arrow and go to this file directory that I'm going to put in the link that I'm going to put in the description. Epic Games Fortnite game content packs. I'm going to put this in the description for you so that you know where it is. Once you're on this folder, you are going to go and look for this file called packchunk10_s3-Windows client. You are going to select that and click open. Once you open that, go back to your folder and drag both U-bulk files. You're going to drag the custom basket file, and you are going to drag the longer name file. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the one that has the longer name and go to the strings of numbers. You're going to go and select the first 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You click copy, go back to the packchunk10_s3 and click deck. Once you do that, click Control F, hex values, paste it in, and click OK. This should take a while, but what it's going to do is it's going to find the exact texture that you need to replace this skin. Once you have done this, it's going to select this. You're going to click before it shows this, so that's right before the period. After you do that, go back to this skin, click Control A, Control E, and deck. Once you click deck, copy this number right here and click X. Once you do this again, go back to this file right here, click Control E, deck, and then paste in that number once again. After you do that, it should select this area. Now go to custom basket.ubulk, select all, Control C, and then on here, Control V. Once you click Control V, you're going to go and click X, click yes, click cancel, and then click yes. Once you've done that, you can go into the Epic Games launcher. Once you are in the Epic Games launcher, go to the library and click launch on Fortnite Battle Royale. It's loaded up. Go and click Battle Royale or Creative. Once you are doing this, go to your locker and go to the skins and find the jump shot skin. Once you find the jump shot skin, the Celtics skin should be loaded up. As you can see here, it is fully working, and and you can use this in game too. This works with any single item in the game, and you can even play it in games. All in all, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more custom skin tutorials like this, drop a like and comment. Also subscribe and follow my Instagram, Twitch, and Twitter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!